Hey, it's Jason with Caster Depot. Today we're going to review Colson's Poly High-Tech wheels. This is a Colson Poly High-Tech wheel. Industrial strength polyurethane is bonded to a ribbed polyolefin core. The core is designed to add strength to withstand shock and to prevent debonding. Poly High-Tech wheels have a durometer of 55D. To look at it differently, the tread hardness is roughly equivalent to the shell of a golf ball. Poly High-Tech wheels come standard with a maroon tread on a gray core, but custom colors are also available. Poly High-Tech wheels are available in sizes ranging from 7/8 to 3 inches in width and from 2.5 to 12 inches in diameter. Poly High-Tech wheels are easy rolling, durable, quiet, floor protectant, tolerant of intermittent temperatures from -45 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, resistant to chemicals, water, and oils, and resistant to floor debris. Depending on size, Poly High-Tech wheels can support up to 1,700 pounds per wheel. Poly High-Tech wheels can be fitted with many bearing options, including delrin, roller, and precision ball bearings. Caster Depot has been the expert in casters and wheels since 1980. If you have any questions about Colson's Poly High-Tech wheels, or if you are interested in purchasing, we are only a call, click, or visit away.